Oh, we got this really nice rolling tray with cone loader. I really just like the design right there, but it's also a really high quality tray, nice and portable. Helps you get the job done. So it folds out like this, set it out like so, and then you've got all your different pieces of equipment that come with it. So you've got this brush right here that I'm just going to set right in here. You've got the different cones. You've got two of each. So we've got the quarter cone right here that I'm just going to set one of those in there, one of those in here in the middle. Then we've got the king size cones right here. Very nice. I'm going to set one in the middle, one on the side like so. Then you've got the taper groove cones right here. There's two of them. And I'm going to set those. Actually, I'm going to set one of those. I'm going to set those in here. Set one of those right here and set this one right in here like so. And then you've also got this cone, the cone maker right here, the cone stuffer. Set that right in there. It even comes with this nice case right here as well. So here's what it all looks, the done deal right here. I think this thing's amazing, as well as the two leftovers right here. I really like this rolling tray, and you definitely need to get it. Highly recommend.